guys, it's Gigi, and today, what is this? It's like the window. Okay. Hi guys, it's Gigi, and today I'm going to be doing a really interesting video. So basically, my whole childhood was filled with watching YouTube videos on popping cookin. And then one time, I got my mom to buy me like a 5-pack of different kracie kits. And yeah, so that was the last time I tried it, and that was like years ago. But I found one at World Market that I haven't tried before, and I kind of wanted to do it just to like relive my childhood, which was not that long ago. Basically, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be making this ramen popping cookin thing. This is like, you make like dumplings, I think, rolls, pudding, and ramen. The only thing is that up here it says that it's ramen, soda, cola, mango, and strawberry flavored. And I don't like strawberry or mango, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably not gonna eat it, so. And now let's do shout outs of the week. Anyway, let's just get on because, yeah, ASMR segment. I moved my camera a little bit around so that I can have some window lighting, but I don't really know if it's gonna work. Let's do some ASMR. We can do ASMR popping cookin. Okay, I'm gonna do ASMR from now on. Okay, so here's the little placemat, and then here is the stuff. So we have dough powder, noodle powder, soup powder, ingredients, pudding, a pudding cup. I think this is like a pastry bag, fork, a toothpick, and then this. I hope y'all are satisfied. So first we have to cut the tray. First, I think we make the mango pudding. No, I spilled some. Now we're gonna make the ramen. So we take star tray. It's like sprinkling everywhere. That doesn't smell bad. So now take 2 pieces and put it in the egg mold. Oh, it's kind of an egg. Okay, whatever. Now we have to spread this evenly here. And then we place it on the molds. Some of the red packet. Hey, that's kind of cute. And then fold it over. Oh my god. Now we do it again. And here's my other one. Okay, go like this. Add some right in the middle. And then roll it. It doesn't look that bad. And then we'll put some toppings on top, I guess. With the music note, pour it up to the line. So we also filled this one up to the line. So we're gonna add the brown packet to the music note bowl. That looks nasty. This looks nasty. Ew. I just spilt it. Pour the noodle powder. Now we stirred this one up. Fold down the top. And place the yellow stuff in there. It's gooky. Okay. And then it like solidifies it. The final step is to take the pudding, and apparently it's supposed to just come out. It's not working. The pudding isn't coming out. Ew. It's sticky. Here's my popin cookin meal. Little empanada things. We have our ramen, little rolls, and then we have our mango pudding. We're gonna do an ASMR segment. So basically, that was me playing with my food, and it's kind of fun and fresh, so sorry if you didn't like it. I'm gonna try this just for y'all. I'm gonna try the ramen. I'm actually gonna eat this. It's very sweet, and the flavor's honestly not that bad, but the texture is so gross. It's like grainy but spongy, and I can't chew it, and it's so gross. But this is okay, guys. So basically that was my food making thing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. I wish you guys could comment down below, but sadly YouTube disabled my comments, and I can't get them back right now, so I'll keep you updated. Just make sure that you check the community tab, because that's where I'll post like updates and stuff. Also hit the notification bell to hear when I make more videos, and the I button above to take a poll, because I always have a poll. And check out the description box below with my social medias, and follow my new Instagram, which is Gigi-elizabethhh with 3 H's. And I really hope you guys are clicking off this video with a big smile on your face, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!